Do you have a larger area to spray that goes beyond what a backpack sprayer is useful for? If so, your next step up will be a tank between 15 and 25 gallons. There are differences in these sprayers that go beyond how much chemical they hold, however. Today, we'll show you some of the differences in our most popular sprayer line, Femco, which will help you decide on the sprayer to best match your needs. Determine the amount of area you need to spray. For spot spraying, Femco has a standard or deluxe sprayer in both 15 and 25 gallon options. Both are powered by a 12-volt diaphragm pump. The standard sprayer provides a lower PSI at 35, which gives a 25-foot horizontal and 12-foot vertical throw. The deluxe sprayer has a higher rate of flow, 2.1 gallons per minute, compared to 1 gallon per minute of the standard. It can also go up to 60 PSI, which allows for a greater throw, 35-foot horizontal and 25-foot vertical. When you need to expand the coverage area and do broadcast spraying, you'll need a boom sprayer. You will generally have 3 boom styles to select from: dry boom, wet boom, and dripless boom. All boom sprayers have a quick release feature that lets you attach the boom when you need it and easily remove it when you don't. A dry boom carries material through poly tubes to the nozzle. The tubing and nozzles are then attached to a steel frame to provide the rigidity. A powerful 12-volt diaphragm pump delivers 2.1 gallons per minute at 60 psi. You'll get good coverage with a 15-foot long hose with 18-inch long spray gun, delivers 30-foot maximum horizontal throw and 15-foot maximum vertical throw, and 140-inch spray swath. Easy storage. The 3-section boom folds for easy transport and storage. A dripless boom is a dry boom style, but equipped with a no-drip diaphragm check valves at the nozzles. Powerful 12-volt diaphragm pump delivers 3.8 gallons per minute at 45 psi. More coverage. 15-foot long hose with deluxe pistol grip spray gun delivers 35-foot maximum horizontal throw and 26-foot maximum vertical throw and 140-inch spray swath. Easy storage. The 3-section boom folds for easy transport and storage. A wet boom actually carries the spray material through a stainless steel pipe towards the nozzles, which are mounted on the pipe. The boomless nozzles at each end spray outwards, covering a wide swath in one pass. Powerful 12-volt diaphragm pump delivers 3.8 gallons per minute at 45 psi. Adjustable. Adjust sprayer to spray right, left, center, or all 3, and adjust nozzles up or down. Good coverage. 15-foot long hose with deluxe pistol grip spray gun delivers 30-foot maximum horizontal throw and 26-foot maximum vertical throw. Wide spray path. Maximum 30-foot wide spray path with all 3 nozzles open. To get the best sprayer for you, know if the area you will be spraying will be best served by a 15 or 25 gallon tank. You'll also want to make sure the vehicle you're using for spraying is able to safely handle a fully loaded tank. Then, determine if you just need to spot spray or if you'll need the versatility of broadcast spraying. If you will be broadcast spraying, pick the boom type that best matches the work you'll be doing. Then choose if you want a permanent boom mount or one that attaches and is removed with a quick release. These considerations will lead you to the best sprayer for you. Visit GEMPLER'S.com, where you'll find a large inventory of in-stock sprayers, accessories, and replacement parts. If you still have questions on choosing a sprayer, call or email our technical support team, and they'd be happy to help with your selection. And no matter what you're planting, growing, or maintaining, subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep getting helpful hints from GEMPLER'S.